In my last video where we unboxed the spindle, I mentioned that these holes need to be drilled out, so we'll just give that a go here very quickly. So I'm using it's a 5mm hole and I want it fairly tight, so I'm going to use a 5.2mm hole. Just wanted to see if this would fit. Perfect. Let's try from here. And this one. The other thing that we have to do, which I haven't done, is make sure I tighten this grub screw up here, which will tighten up the inside where it grabs the shaft, and I really should do that before I screw it all up. What I want to check is the alignment here, to make sure that lines up with the key, so I might do that off camera. So you can't really see this here, but there's a grub screw here that I get in through that, and I need to clamp that down on the motor shaft. So I'll make sure that's lined up and tighten it up, I guess. This should. The motor has a flat in it here, so I think I might put that here on this side here, and then we should get a really good clamp. That'll work. So I've got that clamped down, and now I just need to put these securing bolts in. I probably should add a bit of Loctite to these, so I'll do that at another time. Just make sure I get all 4 of these in. Oh yeah, you can see that there. So this has a keyway in it. We need to position this so the keyway marries up. And then there's, looks like a single grub screw goes in there. So I've now got I think it's a 2mm Allen key. And I need to have that out a bit. You won't be able to tighten this up until I work out the final location, but I don't want to lose things here. Too easy to lose a keyway or a grub screw. Just make sure there's not another one. Oh, there's another one here. They gave me 2 screws. So if the rack's going to sit here, this motor will sit here, engaging that rack. So it'll sit like that. So there we go, step 1. First screws together. Just this little, I don't know if you guys use these, but these are a little edge finder. And when we start lining things up to be dead square along the table, we will need this, so, and vices and things like that. And the one that I had, I'd mislaid or lost or something in amongst moving from the factory back to home. So when I sold the business, so I just had to have one of these before I started this job. So thanks for watching.